Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. So I decided I'm gonna try those like banana egg oatmeal pancakes this morning. So you need a blender, a banana, says you need 2 eggs and half a cup of oatmeal. Alright, so I blended it all up and now this is your batter. That's what it's called, right? Batter?
Yeah.
And now I'm going to heat up a pan. So this is another one of those things that like I tried when I was younger and it didn't work out. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm on the last one. This is our stack. I made a really big last one because I was just over it and wanted to be done. Okay, they're done. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh, the syrup's so good. Not too bad.
There you go.
I added frozen Maine blueberries to mine because we didn't have any chocolate chips, but pretty good. Okay, those were really good. They're definitely not sweet, so if you like sweet pancakes, I guess, I don't know, I think if you put chocolate chips in them they'd be sweeter, but they're not sweet, so I definitely had to like add more syrup. But now it's time to clean up my mess. So I'm gonna do the dishes and then maybe get in a quick workout before we need to go to Walmart because we're getting a fire pit and chairs, and it's gonna be a good weekend. We are getting ready to go to the store. I have my scarf to like put on my face. What was I gonna say? Got my gloves. And then, oh yeah, so we're gonna get some more food so that since we are going to the store, like we can extend the next grocery trip. So we're gonna get a few more things for dinners and like just like basic things we need, like bread and stuff. I just choked and died. Do you need more milk? Do you need more cream cheese?
I don't need no milk. Cream cheese is good.
Dylan has an actual mask.
I have 2 of them. This one's a little, I gotta tell you.
A little big. We are back from the store. I just finished wiping everything down. I'm gonna jump in the shower really quick, but I think Dylan's putting the fire pit together. Let's see. Yep. How's it going? I'm gonna jump in the shower. Okay, so I just showered and now I'm wrapping Julia's present because her birthday is tomorrow and she's having a birthday in quarantine, which is really sad. But I'm making a video of all of, by the time this goes up, which is tomorrow, her birthday's tomorrow, so by the time this goes up it'll already have happened. But I got all of her friends and family to like make videos to send it, or like to put a video together, and I put like a bunch of pictures and videos that I have of the two of us. So I'm gonna finish that up, and then I just have her present. So she literally lives right up the road, so I can always just like walk over there and like social distance give it to her tomorrow. So that's exciting, except it's supposed to snow tomorrow, which is really weird. But yeah, and I'm just gonna fill out her card. It's just a cute little card. Ignore all of our mess in the background, my goodness. We like, I wiped everything down, so stuff is still sitting there. But cards, I got my dad a card and a bag to put his gift in, but it hasn't come yet. I think it's coming today or tomorrow. And then we need to get, I forgot to get Dylan's mom a card, so we need to get her a card too. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I think we're gonna have lunch in a sec. Dylan's in the shower right now, and we're gonna have lunch, and then I don't know what we're gonna do after that. So Dylan and I have just been chilling, and he's been cleaning. He's been cleaning out the window upstairs, and apparently there's a huge spider, and now it's in the vacuum, so we have to, what are you gonna do? Like, what if it crawls out?
I'm gonna pack the whole thing and light it on fire.
Okay.
Pardon my language.
You have to, you're good, you're good. You have to do the sides up so you can pull it out. The purple.
So these ones?
Yeah. Ew, I'm scared.
And this is everything?
Yeah.
And then this bottom just dumps out.
Opens, yeah.
Where's the wind going? This way?
Oh my god.
I sprayed him with like WD-40.
Can you see it?
Oh, it's just your hair.
There's a huge clump of my hair in the thing that won't come. Yeah, that. The wind's going towards you. Ew, I hope it came out.
I'm sure it did. I don't see anything in there. Oh!
So yeah, there was a big spider, I guess. He didn't want to tell me. I don't know. He said it was really big. But yeah, I've just been sitting here editing Julie's video and editing the video that's going up for this one. It's the I'm editing the what I eat in a day video so I can get that up. And yeah, we don't really have anything else planned. Probably have turkey clubs for dinner.
Which one's it?
How are you feeling? Closest to me is mine.
Adrenaline rush. I should have won the first one. I'm sorry.
I'm just uploading a video right now. Dylan's playing video games. It's like 5 o'clock. I'm not really hungry. We had like a late lunch, so probably we'll start dinner around like 6-ish. Which is actually usually when we eat dinner. Because that's when Dylan usually gets home. So I think we're gonna have clubs tonight. Okay, Google. Pause. It is dinner time.
Sorry.
Club time.
Let's get it.
So we have a little bit of spread left, which is so good. It's Tuscan white. And so I just put butter on one side and toast them. And then when it comes out, I do mayonnaise and spicy mustard. And then lettuce, turkey, tomato, and bacon. And they're so good. Oh, and we have fries in the oven. They're little at-home turkey clubs, and it's probably a little bit healthier than getting at a restaurant. And they're so good. Babe, how are they?
They're amazing, honestly.
She automatically just thinks I ruined it.
Act natural. Here's the final product. We got fries. For a second when I like moved the camera, that looked like a pickle, and that sounds so good. Thank you.
Thank you.
And get some fries. Alright, so Dylan and I are gonna have a little card night. So I guess I will end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you have been enjoying the daily vlogs. Go check out my what I eat midday video. I put that up actually I think 2 days ago now. So go check that out, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
See you guys.